Good morning. Today we are in Blanes and we're going to see the sea, do some shopping, and after we hope to leave this afternoon to Aigüestortes, and I have the keys.
You have the keys?
Yes. Closing is very easy. Oh, the mask. Don't say, oh no. Oh. You have to think of everything. Before leaving, it's not that easy anymore.
Countless locks. Man, it's getting old and forget things. A wife. Bunch of keys. Here we go.
Forget your wife.
We're Anna and Eve, and this is our self-converted van Boris.
Together we're looking forward to epic adventures. And we're glad you want to come with us.
So buckle up. It's going to be a heck of a ride.
The seaside resort of Blanes is known as the gateway to the Costa Brava, Catalonia's wild coast. It's known for its mild, comfortable climate. It's a favorite destination among Catalonians.
It's fair to say we are lost in this maze of little streets. That way?
Vale.
Hola.
Mirados pues, ¿ah? De nada.
It's a bit odd finding this place here in Blanes because it's a rather old community here, visited by a lot of old people. Of course it's still out of season, but this is a vegan place playing punk music.
Sakapka, something.
It's a bit out of place, but looks delicious.
Tasty croissant. Little bit crispy, little bit sweet, caramelized, perfect.
I'll start with the coffee. Never had one like this before. It's a talat. Coffee with oat milk. It's very good. Still, you would think it's a lot of milk with only a little shot of coffee, but as always, coffee is strong, so a strong taste of the coffee with the sweetness of the oat milk. Very tasty.
Ja. Lekker de croissant.
Plans have changed again.
Slow travel.
So after having our croissant and coffee, we decided to have lunch there later today. Lunch seems very good.
Yeah.
First have a dip in the sea, swim in the sea, take a shower and come back around 1 o'clock, 1:30 to have our lunch. It's a nice place,
Really?
Blanes.
Or we can have dinner there and then it's tapas. So we have a choice. You see.
First world problems. What should we do?
We're back at the van. We'll put on our swimming suits. Look here, Boris has two big brothers. Not all our camping spots are idyllic. Blanes itself is blessed with 4 kilometers of wide, golden sanded beaches. Time to enjoy the beach vibes, a swim in the sea and a free shower.
this is the last time we will see the Mediterranean for some weeks. Because tomorrow we start making our way up to the Atlantic coast, north of Spain and the Atlantic coast. We enjoyed our dip in the sea very much. Now before leaving Blanes, we go to the same restaurant where we had our croissant this morning. The menu, the daily menu looked very promising.
Yeah, a lot of choices.
A lot of choices, so let's try it out.
Everywhere you come in Spain, the restaurants serve lunch menus for a fixed price with a drink. The typical lunch will have several courses to choose from, starting with the first course, then a main dish and finish with the dessert. In Zacapca we had even 4 courses, including a tasty appetizer.
Just left the restaurant, tummies are full, ready to leave.
Yeah, we had a short but great time here in Blanes. And now?
Now we're going to Espot, back to the mountains. Just check the weather forecast. Only 15 degrees during the day, 3 degrees at night. So
No swimming suit.
no, time for the hats and the jumpers.
Now we left the Mediterranean coast behind us and we are on our way to Aigüestortes National Park.
National Park here in Catalonia in the Pyrenees mountains.
So it will be a lot colder than the days before, Blanes.
Yeah.
It's a long drive from Blanes to Espot, Aigüestortes National Park. Nearly 300 kilometers.
Tough ride. Through the mountains, rain. Time for a break, stretch legs and some fresh air. Refueled.
Jump!
Seatbelt. Start the engine.
What do you think about the new spot for tonight?
Okay, to spend the night. There's a supermarket.
Bakery, I think, for tomorrow morning.
Then a kebab. But we have everything with us. No, it's okay. What time is it now? Almost 7. So, once we're installed, dinner at 8.
Time to relax and
Watch Netflix.
yeah. And then we go tomorrow morning. First
Tomorrow morning,
to the
another 2
bakery.
hours.
Maybe first to the bakery.
Perfect. Good morning. As you can see, it's still grey. It's raining. This morning a huge thunderstorm passed by. Thunder and lightning. It's going to rain the rest of the day, so this means a 2-hour drive through the mountains in the rain. Not looking forward to it, but it is what it is. Can't change it.
Even on a rainy day, we still go out to explore the village, buy some bread and drink a coffee in a local shop.
So grocery shopping is done, we have our bread. It's raining, but we're leaving anyway. Here we go. Wish us good luck. made the right decision yesterday to stop for the night. Also in this weather, through the mountains, small winding roads. It's not easy. Very tiring.
Here we go for toilet. Please. That's all my God.
Is this Spain or Finland? Oh, it's windstopper weather. Ooh.
After a pee stop and stretching our legs, we continue our trip to Espot.
Arrived at our destination, Espot. First pay a visit to the tourist information. Have some lunch probably before we look for a parking spot.
Good weather.
Yeah, better weather than the first part of the drive. Mountains around.
You have a lot of information what we can do here. It's not possible to camp, to park
Unfortunately not.
in the park.
So you have to stay overnight around
Espot.
town, around Espot. Maybe that's not bad, you can have a drink, maybe something to eat, but during the day you can drive into the park,
Closer, yeah.
small vehicle, and start your walks there.
Yeah. Or take a taxi from Espot and they will bring you closer into the park. For €5 one way.
One way, I think €5 each. Late afternoon, had lunch, did some work on the vlogs. Now it's time to crawl out of the van like hermits.
It's 4:20.
4:20. Check out this little village. See the mountains.
Bye.
Look at these mountains. This view is perfect view. Check out this village. Have a coffee maybe, or maybe a beer. See if we can stock up on some things for tomorrow. I think we decide for tomorrow we take a taxi. Those white 4x4s. They will take us up into the mountains to the trailhead tomorrow. Looking forward to the coming days. It's gonna be great. Let's hope the weather is like today, like this afternoon. We're on the perfect side of the mountain. The other side was very bad weather this morning. And once we crossed the mountain pass, sky cleared up. It's cool. It's nice weather to hike.
Espot is a beautiful town located at the heart of a river valley. This town has its typical Pyrenean architecture. It's the main entrance to the Aigüestortes National Park. This village's main income comes from tourism, especially in the winter months for skiing. I hope you liked this video and we made you curious about our upcoming adventures in Aigüestortes National Park. If so, please give it a thumbs up. This would mean a lot to us if you subscribe to our channel too. It's free. Hope to see you next Sunday. Take care.